Soil Erosion and Conservation, Chapter 9, Class 5th. Children, here warm up activity first. Now you have to put a tick for the things that are present in the soil and cross for those things that pollute the soil. Now the first thing are the stones. They are present in the soil. Second one, this is humus. Humus is also present in the soil. And the third number, that is of cloth. Cloth is not present in the soil. And the fourth is polythene bags. Polythene bags pollute the soil, not present in the soil. And the fifth is broken glasses. Broken glass pieces also pollute the soil. And the sixth is small animals. Small animals are present in the soil and they are helpful for the soil. They don't cause any pollution of the soil. Children, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil, and it is one of the most important natural resources. Natural resources means which occur naturally. The resources which occur naturally, like the soil, air, water, etc. Not only plants but almost all living organisms depend on soil for their existence. Many animals like rabbits, moles, earthworms, snakes, rats, etc. make their homes and live inside the soil. Soil also contains minerals, water, and air that are needed by plants and animals to live and to grow. The type of soil is known by its color, texture, and porosity. And the type of the soil, this also depends on the different components which are present in the soil. Soil formation. Soil formation, this is a very slow process. Here the large rocks, these are broken down by air, heat of the sun, snow and moving water. By these factors, large rocks broken down into small pieces, and this process is repeated many times. As a result, these small pieces of rocks are broken down into fine particles of soil, and this process of wearing away of rocks is called weathering. Children, weathering means the broken of rocks into small pieces by the action of water, air and the sun. Now weathering depends on the factors like type of the rock, climate, area and plants and animals. So these are the factors on which weathering process depends. Soil profile. Soil consists of three layers. The uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil, and most of the plants grow here. It is the most fertile layer and it is rich in organic matter called humus. Humus is rich in nutrients and helps plants to grow. Children, humus is formed by the decomposition of dead plants and animals. Humus is rich in nutrients. It contains almost all the nutrients and it makes the soil fertile. It helps plants to grow. The soil below the topsoil is subsoil and it consists of small sized rocks and soil particles but not contain organic matter and humus. Below the subsoil lies the bedrock and it contains unweathered rock. Children, you are seeing layers of soil diagram. Soil layer, these are three: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Topsoil, that is the uppermost layer of the soil, and most of the plants grow here. The roots of the plants, they are present in the topsoil. Subsoil, It is the layer of the soil below the topsoil, and it consists of small sized rocks and soil particles. Subsoil does not contain humus, and in the bottom, below the subsoil, lies the bedrock, and this contains unweathered rock, or the rock from which the soil is formed.